Today, I'm replacing my old bath towels. They've served their purpose, but they're worn out, faded, bleached, and some of them even have holes in them. And at this point, I'm just holding on to them just because. And it made me think, how often do we hold on to things in life well after they've stopped serving us? Old habits, old mindsets, old fears, and even old versions of ourselves. Sometimes growth isn't about adding more, it's about letting go of what's overused to make room for something fresh. Maybe today isn't just about replacing towels. Maybe it's about replacing what's been weighing us down.